Hello everyone, my name is Muslim Wardak and I'm once again here to teach you a second lesson of a series of German grammar lessons of level A1. In second lesson of series of German grammar lessons, we are studying how a question in German is asked. It is the same like that of English, we are asking question in two forms. One with help of WH questions like here, the second with by bringing a main verb of a sentence into beginning of the sentence. In these two manners and in these two ways we can make a question and we can ask a question. So now we are coming to study WH questions. The first one, the first type of questions that are WH questions, they are called in German W-Fragen. W-Fragen means W, Fragen means questions, so W questions. So we are coming to learn WH questions. First, we are coming to WH words. The first WH word, so the first one, which is woher, the second one, which is wohin, and the third one, which is wo. These all three have got the same meaning, but yes, they are differently with different purposes used. These all three means where. In the second, the fourth one, WH word is was. It means what. The third one, the next one, it has got two meanings. According to this sentence, where it is used, it means how. For example, how an operation is performed. And here, uh, but the actual meaning, here it means what, but the actual meaning is how. So we feel is mean how many. It is not like that of English. Like in English, for countable nouns, we use how many. For uncountable nouns, we use how much. But in English, in German, for both of them, we use one. We feel. And the next one is one. One means when. Were. The next one is were. Were means who. And the next one we have is wie viele. Wie viele means how many. Here just one a is added, so it we add a at the end of that because the next one here is plural. Because of that, a is added. Otherwise, this one and this one have got the same meaning. So now we are coming to learn about WH questions in details. The first one is woher kommen Sie? Where are you from? So where are you from? We can answer the question in two forms, in short form and with a complete sentence. In short form, for example, aus Amerika. I come from, and we can say I'm from America. Ich komme aus Russland. I'm from Russia. Here Z is written with capital S, and we have two types of Z, one with capital S, one with small s. With capital S, it means you. When we are talking in a formal way, so we use you here, it means the same you. And when it is written in small s, it means she. It like we use for a female she. So it have got a third person female, like for that we use she in English. In German we use for that sie. So the next one is wohin gehst du? Wohin gehst du? Here it was written woher kommen Sie? It means where are you from? So it is a different sentence and with a different purpose. But here wohin also means where, but with a different purpose and a different meaning of a statement. For example, we say wohin gehst du when you are asking someone about some direction. For example, you are going to America, where you are going to university, you are going to hospital, so you are asking about some direction or some place that you are going to or someone is going to. So for that we use wohin. Wohin gehst du? Where are you going? Here I say, ich gehe nach Krankenhaus. I'm going to hospital. Krankenhaus means hospital. Gehe means I'm going. Ich mean I. Gehe mean going. Nach Krankenhaus to hospital. Ich gehe nach Universität. I'm going to university. The next one is, wo ist mein Buch? Where is my book? Here, the purpose of the sentence is, it means we are not talking about a direction, we are talking about a place, that where something is located. For example, wo ist Amerika? Where is America? So we are asking about the place in location of something. So here I'm asking about the location where my book is located and where uh, it is. So I'm asking about the place where book is. So here I'm saying es ist auf dem Tisch. It is on the table. Es ist auf dem Tisch. Tisch means table. Auf dem means on. So is mean it is mean is, auf dem Tisch, on the table. So the next one is, was trinken Sie? What what are you drinking? Or what do you want to drink? So here once again a short answer is given, and with a complete sentence answer is given, like Wasser bitte. Wasser bitte. It means water please. I want I want water please. And Kaffee bitte. Coffee I want coffee please. And the next one is, ich trinke Wasser bitte. I am drinking water please. So the next one is, wie heißen Sie? When you want to ask a question about the name of some person in a formal way, then we say, wie heißen Sie? What is your name? And wie heißt du? It also means what is your name, but in German it is an informal way, and it is not a formal way. It is like we use with friends and um, with colleagues. And here we say, for example, the person say Alex. We can give answer in short form and with a complete sentence. We say the person say Alex. My name is Alex. Ich heiße Alex. It means my name is Alex. Okay, the next one, wie heißt du? What is your name? The person say John. Ich heiße John. It means my name is John. The next one is, wie viel Uhr ist es? What time is it? And we can ask like that as well. Both of them have got the same meaning. Wie spät ist es? Both of them have got the same meaning. It means what time is it? We say, es ist 5:30. It is 5:30. It is 5:30. And we say 1:30. It means it is 3 o'clock. And the next one is, es ist 5 Uhr. It is 5 o'clock. The next one is, wann kommst du? When are you coming? And we can say, when do you come? And here we say an answer, we say, am 6 Uhr, am 6 Februar 13 Uhr. It means on 6th of February, um, and 6th of February on 13 o'clock. In German, we use the like in English we have AM and PM. So in such a manner, the time is divided. The 24-hour time is divided in AM and PM in 12 hours format. But in German, it is not such in such a manner divided. It is the same like when it is after 12 o'clock we have 13, 14, 15. It is the same manner like that. When it is 1 o'clock, we say it is 13 Uhr. It is 13 Uhr. So, and the next one we have is wer spricht Deutsch? It means who can. It means who speak German. Here we say Ahmad und Katrin sprechen Deutsch. Ahmad and Katrin um, speak German. The next one is wie viele Geschwister haben Sie? How many siblings do you have? Here we say in short form we can answer. In short form we can answer with a complete sentence like fünf. Fünf, it means five. Ich habe 5 Geschwister. I have 5 siblings. The next we have is Satzfragen. Satzfragen means sentence questions. Sentence questions are those that I in beginning mentioned that we can make questions by and by bringing the main verb into beginning of a sentence. For example, we have here trinken Sie Bananensaft? Do you drink banana juice? The next question is kommen Sie aus Schweiz? Do you come from, like we are asking someone question, do you come from Switzerland? Schweiz means Switzerland. And the next one is, können Sie das bitte wiederholen? Can you please repeat it? Wiederholen means repeat, to repeat something. The next one is, warst du schon mal in Berlin? It means in English that have you been to Berlin? It means have you once visited Berlin? So in such a manner, we are asking questions, and so we had like in the beginning I mentioned we could ask in 2 ways a question in English. Like one was here with WH questions, the next one was here Satzfragen and sentence questions by bringing the main verb of a sentence into beginning of the sentence. In such a manner, a question will be formed and will be asked. So it was our second lesson of series of German grammar lesson level A1. So I hope that you have learned it and you have understood it. And for more lessons and more videos, be with us and follow us in YouTube.